Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a small haul. Let's see what I got. I'm waiting for a couple things, so I'm anxious to open this. Oh, there's more in here than I thought. Oh, good. Those are here. I am anxious to see these. I have new Smart Doll boys, and those are pretty goth, aren't they? Those would be cute on boys or girls. Boy, that's a lot of lacing. How will that work? I like them, though. Aren't they cute? Ooh! Dory's Dollies and I host a Dolls Gone Goth once a month on the 16th of each month. On the 20th of each month, we give the theme for the month, and you're welcome
for the following month.
For the following month. And you are welcome to join us on the 16th for that every month if you like. Okay, cool. These are also for my Smart Doll boys. We'll see how they fit. I ordered these. I knew they wouldn't get here for 4th of July. But what I wanted out of this, see if I can get to it real quick. Oh yeah, I think those will work. Trunks for one of my guys. That's pretty cool. And then a matching t-shirt to go over. I like it. We'll see how it fits. Maybe we'll do a try on Thursday night at our live at 6 o'clock p.m. Darren and I on this channel have been going live every week at 7 p.m. 6 Central Time. Last week we had a problem with our server. How's that going?
Not good so far, but I'll bring in something else if I have to.
Okay, look what I got. Aren't these cool? I like beads. Merry Christmas, joy, reindeer, Christmas tree, and snowman. Oh, that's cute. Snowman. So I got these for fun to wear in videos. There you go. Those would be cute in late November and December.
I was going to say, we're really pushing the holidays now.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Bad enough I saw Halloween the other day, and
I just lost a week. Like, seriously lost a week. I thought it was a week earlier than it is, honestly. I wish I were kidding. Okay, and another t-shirt. Now, I've tried these on my girls, and I like it, so it won't be a waste if it doesn't fit my boys for the Smart Dolls. And I also have 18-inch dolls, so never a waste. Oh, cool. These are, I did not order this. Maybe it was a free gift.
Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, yeah.
Wishful thinking.
Wrong thing is what happened. Yeah, I would not have ordered. No. Look how poorly that's printed on the fabric. And that looks like the back side. And it's just, yeah, I would not have ordered that. I have no use for that. I bet I didn't get a swimsuit. I was supposed to. Yeah, because I ordered another flag one well, I'll tell you what, this size 18-inch dolls, I'm looking for the opening, 18-inch dolls swimsuits fit on the Pear Smart Dolls, the 28-inch Barbies, and of course the 18-inch dolls. That's exactly what happened. This is supposed to be a red, white, and blue swimming suit. But I did get this. I don't really like one arm, but I thought it was kind of cute. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, that kind of makes me mad because that's just not something I would order. Woohoo! More boots. Oh no, these are high heels. Cool. My Smart Dolls, I'm always looking for shoes for my Smart Dolls. I love these heels. Very cute. Sometimes I put the straps, I have a little strap holder here. Sometimes I put them on, sometimes I don't. I'll just move that to the side. Let's Let's see what else we got. Oh, cool. I love these little tennis shoes for the Smart Dolls. I put these on my boys, my Smart Doll girls, and my other 1/3 dolls that came from AliExpress, especially the boys. Actually, they each came with a pair. No extra charge. They came with a full outfit. And they were like less than $30. And I like them. Okay, one more t-shirt for coming fall. Boy, that looked brighter. That's orange and black, but it looked a lot brighter in the picture. Yep, that's what happened. This was supposed to be a red, white, and blue swimsuit. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.